A very good morning to everyone. So here we are organizing our first assembly after the prolonged lockdown period due to the coronavirus epidemic. This assembly has been organized in order to remind ourselves that there always lies a ray of light which enlightens us with the enthusiasm and courage to fight against even the worst circumstances prevailing, and also motivates us to rebuild ourselves and to retain ourselves from every nightmare. So in order to start the things off, I would like to call upon Aditi for the prayer.
Good morning everyone. Get ready for the prayer. Join your hand, close your eyes and bow your head. It is not for our family. It is not to secure good position. It is not to earn money. It is not to obtain diploma that we study. We study to learn, to know, to understand the word, and for the sake of joy that it gives us. Thanks be to God.
Pledge means an ode to our nation, and in order to remind us of our duties towards our nation, here I welcome Ribhav for the pledge.
India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect, and shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotions. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai.
Well, now is the time to add some rhythm and melody to our day, and for the very same, I would like to invite Harshita for the hymn. A positive thought not only motivates us but also enables us to approach everything in a positive point of view. So here I welcome Madhu for the thought of the day.
Good morning everyone. The thought of the day is peace and harmony in society comes from the feeling of love and equality in human being. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Sakshi for the word of the day.
Good morning everybody. Today's word of the day is tranquility. In Hindi, Shanti. Tranquility means the state of being calm. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now I would like to invite Arundhati to address us about the Hiroshima Day that is being celebrated on 6th August.
Good morning. Myself Arundhati Phatak of class 12 PCB. Today I am here to throw some light on the atomic bombing that took place years back at Nagasaki and Hiroshima. On August 6, 1945, during World War II, that was from 1939 to 1945, an American B-29 bomber dropped the world's first deployed atomic bomb over the Japanese city of Hiroshima. The explosion immediately killed an estimated 80,000 people. Tens of thousands of people later died due to the atomic radiation. 3 days later, a second A-29 bomb dropped on Nagasaki, killing an estimated 40,000 people. Japan's Emperor Hirohito announced his country's unconditional surrender in World War II in a radio address on August 15, citing the devastating power of a new and most cruel bomb. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Now I would like to request everyone to kindly stand up and get ready for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तिरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाता जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you everyone. Take good care of yourselves. Assembly dispersed.